respect Boosie Badass talk about his album sales or his song sales, and it made me think of a reality. You know, a lot of the artists that we respect, a lot of the artists that's got the fame, the bag isn't connected with the fame. You know, so they have to have some type of independent business, some type of hustle behind it because they're not getting that check that you think they're getting. They might get in play. You might hear them all the time. But that don't mean that bag is necessarily tied to that. You see what I'm saying? So me personally, as an independent artist, as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, as a welder, fabricator, fitter, iron worker, you know, I feel like what I can offer my fans or those who follow me, I can actually help you get a career. I can teach you welding, fabrication, one on one. The three different kinds of welding from stick, MIG, and TIG welding. Uh, from shop to the field. So it's an asset out here right now. People are really building, people are expanding, people are traveling, and a lot of people are suffering from not having the income that they need. So if you need a career, if you want to start a business, man, that's where it's at. You know what I mean? Honestly, think about it. But just thinking you're just gonna live off your music alone, I don't think I don't think you're gonna be able to do it. Maybe one day, you know, man, in the past, but just living off that alone, you gotta have something else you're doing too. So the way I look at it, I want to be able to help you on all levels, not just um, listening to some records, you know what I mean, but being able to see you say, "Hey, man, I was making 5K, now I'm making 20K. I was making 20K, now I'm making 50K. I was making 50K, now I'm making 100K because I was messing with my guy Black Phoenix and Hog on Welding, and they taught me a skill, they taught me a trade. They came to my city personally and did a program for 4 to 8 weeks or whatever the situation is, and we moved on and actually teaching you how to do this, how to be independent, um, how to be financially stable, how to start your EIN. I mean, get your EIN number and start your independent LLC. I can teach you that literally. I got it out the mud, like I got it the hard way. So now I know how to do it. Now I know what it takes to help you get established.